Repairing your camshaft is an expensive procedure that can run up to $4,000 or more. You may be wondering if there's a less expensive alternative to this, one that can save time and money without being a lower quality repair. Often an important step in replacing your camshaft involves replacing your rocker levers. These are very expensive parts on their own, but we have an alternative solution that may help you. Depending on the issues you are experiencing with your rocker levers, you could simply need a new pin or roller. This repair is useful if there hasn't been much damage to the rocker lever itself. A broken pin can create loud noises within your engine and over time can deal massive damage to your camshaft. Replacing that pin is a smart alternative to replacing the entire rocker lever and is a quality repair without breaking the bank. Having a fresh set of pins and rollers extends the life of your camshaft and may be the solution to your camshaft issues. Here at Highway and Heavy Parts, we sell pin and roller kits that can solve your issue without breaking the bank. Such a simple fix can help you avoid costly damage and time-consuming replacement or repair. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for an affordable, OEM quality diesel engine part with expert advice on the other side of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about camshafts or pin and roller kits, contact our ASE certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date on all news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.